Claudia Hoerig was also in court today. She's accused of killing her husband and then running away to Brazil.
WKBN 27 First News reporter Nadine Grimley is live outside the courthouse to break down what happened.
Well, Dave and Mandy, Claudia Hoerig's defense team wants some evidence excluded from her trial, and that evidence includes statements that she might have made to law enforcement officers on the plane ride back from Brazil to Ohio, and statements that she made in a recorded interrogation at the Trumbull County Sheriff's Office.
It was decided early on, I believe even before we got on the plane, that we were not to interrogate her.
Now retired FBI agent Anthony Sano was among the 5-person law enforcement crew who picked Claudia Hoerig up in Brazil and flew a charter flight with her back to Ohio. He says they talked about a lot of things unrelated to the case during the course of the 9-hour flight, but Claudia kept trying to talk to them about what happened.
He said, "Tony, let me tell you something. A wife doesn't kill her husband without a good reason."
Sano says he told her she'd have a chance to tell her story later on, but Claudia kept talking, saying she suffered from depression, mental and sexual abuse during her marriage to Air Force Major Carl Hoerig, and initially bought the gun to kill herself. Sano says no one ever asked her any questions, but felt he had no obligation to stop her, so she kept going. He says Claudia told them she became angry and shot Carl when he told her to go downstairs to the basement to kill herself, so she wouldn't get blood on the paintings and the carpets.
And it was my assessment, as I put into the document, that it was rehearsed.
Senior Inspector Bill Bolden with the U.S. Marshal Service was also on that flight and later a part of the roughly 2.5-hour-long interrogation at the Trumbull County Sheriff's Office.
She wanted to talk to the detectives, and I was on the phone making the arrangements.
Bolden also told the court that upon her return back to Ohio, she waived her Miranda rights and also signed off on the document when she was there prior to the interrogation at the sheriff's office. Testimony in this suppression hearing will resume tomorrow morning. Live outside the Trumbull County Courthouse, Nadine Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.